Hello guys, welcome back to Peter Auto Vlog. Today I'm presenting a quick video how to clean alloys and tires with just one product. As you can see, tires and alloys are pretty dirty, covered in dirt and brake dust also. I haven't cleaned this tire or alloy for at least 2 or 3 weeks, and it's been collecting and gathering dust, dirt and brake dust as well from brake pads all around. And I am going to clean this tire and alloy with just one product quite quickly, and within a few minutes you will see a difference. Product I'm going to use to clean alloy and tire I've bought in the local shop. This one is called in particular Tire Shine, and there's instructions at the back. Directions for use of this Tire Shine are quite simple. You have to shake this can and you have to make sure the tire and alloy, in my case, it's dry and clean. I haven't implemented any pre-wash, so as I was showing on the very first video, on the very first footage of that video, the tire and alloy, it hasn't been washed previously. I've just sprayed the ever so slightly layer of this Tire Shine on alloy and tire itself, and now I'm using the old towel to first of all clean the alloy, which the very fine layer of this spray is sufficient for cleaning alloy at the first place, and the excess of the tire later I'm gonna just wipe off the tire wall. And directions, it did say on the can to leave the spray for 5 to 10 minutes to dry, but then I would prefer to wipe the excess off completely rather than dirt off the road. When you're driving, it would be sticking onto it straight away. Just now, close-up view after 2 minutes of cleaning. What would the results more or less going to be like? And that's the dirty side. So let's get back to cleaning. The other half of the alloy left to be cleaned, so it's not that long to go. Last final touches, and the results are like you can see, guys. For the 5 minutes work, 5 minutes clean of just only one tire and alloy, results are pretty outstanding. Alloy itself got a very lovely shine added on, and the tire, the side wall of the tire is really dark, and that spray enhances the black color on the tire itself, and the tire looks like a brand new tire. So comment down below, guys, what you think about the results, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching, stay safe.